While you're reading, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, write a comment, and share this video. Your support helps us create more relaxing yoga sessions for you. Harmony and balance. Let's begin. Balance morning rise. Stand tall with your feet grounded and your knees softly relaxed. Inhale as you lift your arms or chest upward, inviting lightness into your body. Exhale to steady yourself, feeling balance and quiet energy awakening within you for the new day. Harmonic side flow. Move into a soft side lean, letting one arm glide overhead as your ribs gently open. Inhale to create spaciousness along your side body. Exhale to relax into the flow. Let the movement feel smooth, balanced, and naturally harmonic. Gentle center lift. Stand in a grounded, relaxed stance. Inhale as you gently lift your chest and arms from the center of your body, allowing the movement to rise softly upward. Exhale to settle, keeping your core steady and your energy calm and centered. Rooted balance twist. Stand with your feet firmly grounded and your knees softly relaxed. Exhale as you rotate your torso gently to one side, keeping your hips steady and your spine long. Inhale to return to center, feeling balance and grounding flow through your whole body. Calm shoulder arch. Stand or sit with your spine long and relaxed. Inhale as you gently sweep your arm into a soft arc, opening the shoulder with ease. Exhale to release tension, letting the movement bring calm and spaciousness to your upper body. Soft diagonal reach. Shift into a gentle stance and extend your arm diagonally across your body. Inhale as you lengthen through your fingertips, feeling a smooth stretch travel through your side and core. Exhale to soften, keeping the movement light, calm, and effortless. Serene hip line. Stand with your feet grounded and your hips relaxed. Inhale as you gently shift into a soft line through one hip, letting the movement open the side of your body. Exhale to settle, allowing calm and fluidity to flow through your lower body. Harmony triangle stretch. Step into a wide, steady stance and extend your arms. Inhale as you reach to one side, lengthening through your ribs. Then gently lower your hand toward your leg. Exhale to deepen the stretch, allowing your body to open in a calm, harmonious triangle. Stable breath warrior. Step into a strong warrior stance, grounding your feet with calm intention. Inhale as you lift your chest and lengthen your arms, feeling stability grow through your center. Exhale slowly, letting your breath anchor you in strength and steady presence. Peaceful forward slide. Shift into a gentle forward stance, letting your body glide smoothly ahead. Inhale to lengthen your spine, and exhale as you soften into the movement. Allow the slide to feel calm and effortless, guiding you into quiet inner peace. Quiet spine lift. Stand or sit with a grounded, relaxed posture. Inhale as you gently lift your chest and lengthen your spine, keeping your shoulders soft. Exhale to settle, allowing the movement to awaken your back with calm, mindful energy. Balanced palm stretch. Stand or sit with a steady, grounded posture. Inhale as you extend your arms forward or overhead, spreading your palms gently. Exhale to release tension, letting the stretch create a sense of balance and calm throughout your upper body. Harmony still point. Stand or sit in a grounded, relaxed position. Close your eyes softly and inhale deeply, feeling your body gather inward. Exhale fully, allowing stillness and balance to settle, creating a calm center of harmony within.